Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you the Edge Pulsar for the 20 to 22 Chevrolet L5P Duramaxes. One of the most popular performance products that we have for the L5P Duramax platform is the Edge Pulsar. Now this is the Edge Pulsar for the 2020 to 2022 Duramax L5Ps. This is part number 22401. Yeah, 22401, excuse me. Again, just a wildly popular product for us. We are an Edge stocking warehouse, and this is one that we have had to put on the reorder constantly to keep them on the shelf. So the Pulsar is really, really nice. This is a pass-through module. So this goes in line with your stock wiring harness and your ECM on the truck. It has 5 different switchable power levels that it will give to your truck. Edge tested a 2022 truck with this Pulsar on it. And it wound up making on power level 5, the truck made 506 horsepower and 1,117 foot-pounds of torque. That's a 136 horsepower increase over stock power levels. And again, it's got 5 different power levels, each at incrementally increasing horsepower levels for whatever you're doing with your truck. Whether you're towing, you want to use lower power levels to keep your EGTs in check. You know, it has you have different power levels that you can use to see what your truck gets the best fuel economy on. So you've got a lot of adjustability inside the module, and again, shift on the fly. So that's really, really nice. So easy install on this. Comes with a hardware bag for the mounting of the ECM inside the truck. It comes with the Pulsar module itself, and then a full set of instructions. And while we are on the topic of the Pulsars, one thing that we have found in the L5Ps is the failure of the ECM harness as it relates to the latches, where the actual harness latches onto the ECM. Very, very cheap. It's got a cheap latch on it, and the latch has a slide mechanism that is inside of the harness cover, and this slide mechanism breaks. And what happens is once this breaks, you don't have the ability for the latch mechanism to pull the latch into the into the Pulsar correctly, or the ECM. So you don't have good contact at the ECM, which is going to cause drivability issues, no starts, all the things. Really, really high failure rate on these. Edge has addressed that, and they have come out with a kit part number 98108. And what this is this is a set of the I'm just going to call them the guide mechanisms, and you can see that they've got teeth on this. And what this is these teeth, these interact with the latch, and what they do, let me line this up correctly. What they do is the latch, again, pulls the harness into the ECM, and what you're looking at right here is that will make the ECM close. I guess you probably can't see it from my hand. So you can see how that works. Imagine that was the that was the connector. This latch brings the connector into the Pulsar or into the ECM again, and this fixes that. So Edge realized that problem. They were dealing with that on their tech support line. So they came out with this. They sourced these. You can buy these very cheap. And when you buy one of these Pulsars new, I would definitely suggest adding the 98108 to this. This works for the 2017 to 2022 wiring harness. Add this to your order. That way, if you get into your truck and yours break or are broken, you can address that. You're not going to have any problems. So just something just to make your installation go a little bit easier. But definitely, if you have an L5P, we suggest that you check out the Edge Pulsar. Very, very nice performance module from Edge Products. So if you have a question about Edge Products, Pulsars, L5P, or any of that goodness, just give us a call. We appreciate you watching.